In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook ads frequency cap, and we're going to do this in just 5 minutes. This is a great skill to have because capping the frequency of your ads ensures you don't overwhelm your audience, optimizing your budget and improving the efficiency of your campaigns. Let's dive in and learn how to set this up step by step. First, let's head over to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by simply searching for Facebook Ads Manager in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, click on Go to Ads Manager. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password. Remember to keep this information private and secure. After you've logged in, you'll click Log in to proceed. Now that you're in Ads Manager, go to the campaigns dashboard. If you don't have any campaigns yet, you can click on Create New Campaign. But for now, let's assume you have an existing campaign running. You need to navigate to the Ad Sets section, which houses all the different ad configurations you might have. Find the ad set you want to apply the frequency cap to and click on Edit. This will take you to a detailed view where you can adjust various aspects of your ad set. Scroll down until you find the frequency control section. Frequency control is crucial as it helps regulate how often your audience sees your ad, which can prevent ad fatigue and annoyance. Once in frequency control, select Cap. This option allows you to set the maximum number of times anyone will see your ad in a specified period. Next, decide how frequently you'd like your ads to appear to individuals. This might be 3 times a week or 5 times over 10 days. It depends on your campaign goals and audience behavior, so take your time here to consider what would be most effective. Finally, set the number of days for this frequency cap. This establishes the time frame within which your frequency limits will apply. After you've updated these settings to your satisfaction, double check everything to make sure it's accurately set up. Mistakes here could lead to your ads being shown too often or not often enough, which can have adverse effects on your campaign's performance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set a frequency cap on your Facebook ads. This adjustment will help optimize your ad dollar, ensuring you reach your audience without bombarding them. So that's all it takes, simple yet powerful steps to make sure your ads perform as best as possible. Keep practicing, and over time you'll master the art of Facebook advertising. Remember, the key is to regularly review and adjust your campaigns as needed to achieve your marketing goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy advertising!